Up next to perform is David, and he's going to be singing Sound of Revival by GUC.
From listening, you are the place. Yes, you are. I am the sound of revival. For the one who's waiting for me. I am the Bible they read. They will read me and they will change. I am the sound of many waters flowing from east to the west. Yes, Abba made me the wonders to my way. Oh, no. Father, we bless your name. I am the sound of revival. For the world is going to be. I am. They will read me, and they will be changed. I am the sound of many waters flowing from east to the west. I am revival. 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 Beauty and fire, wisdom and stature, purity and power. Victory to Jesus, yeah. Purity and power, pointer to Jesus. We're gonna see. Bring up to Jesus, yeah. This is a stand. Many are the many ways. Take you, Jesus, to the world. Many of many men. This is a stand. More of many men. Taking Jesus to the world. Many are the many men. This is a stand. The more of many men. Jesus to the world. Big move of me. But this is. I am the sound of revival. For the world is waiting for me. The Bible they read, and they will read me, and they will be changed. I am the sound of many waters flowing from east to the west. Yes, Abba made me the word of to my way. Word of to my word.
Wow. Can you give it up for David one more time? Well done, well done. I can tell that this is your biggest challenge so far. And sincerely, I appreciate your courage, and I can testify to the fact that you are growing, show after show. However, I wish your performance is as good as your outfit. You are looking nice, by the way. I give that to you. You are looking very nice. Uh, I have a lot of problem with your enunciation. At the beginning of your performance, I could barely hear your words. I was struggling to follow you. Um, but then I could see that your mind is there and you are trying your best. But we not always tend towards the excuse of I'm more of a musician than I'm a singer. You are here, and then you have to give it your best at all times. So please keep improving, and then I hope you get better as you go on in this journey. If you make it to the next phase, thank you so much for blessing us.
All right, thank you so much, David. To keep David in a competition, a short code is the number 3109. A short code is the number 3109. Go to the show's website to vote for David as many times as you can. Thank you so much.